Welcome to Compare Your Business Costs. Today we are going to explore espresso and pod coffee machines for the office. If you are looking for a commercial coffee machine for your office, you'll want to think about buying an espresso machine or a pod machine. Here are some great examples. 1. Keurig K155 Office Pro Commercial Coffee Maker. It delivers a superior brew experience in just a few minutes. 2. The Dura Barista Dual Boiler. These coffee machines have been designed with convenience and quality in mind. 3. Nespresso's professional grade pod machine. Nespresso machines use capsules instead of filters, so they warm up faster. And they are also compostable. 4. Sage Dual Boiler. Unlike other espresso machines, the Sage is equipped with a high temperature control and pre-infusion level. Of course, you will have to consider your office needs, size, and employees' personal preferences. We hope this video was helpful. If you want to be the office hero, visit Compare Your Business Costs today.